Hey bro, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix DHCP is not enabled for Ethernet in Windows 10 or 11. First, we need to press Windows and R to open the Run window. You need to type Control Panel and press Enter. This will open the Control Panel window. You need to switch the viewing method to Category. Then you need to select Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Then on the left-hand side, select Change Adapter Settings. Next right, click on the Ethernet icon in Network Connections. Then select the Properties option. Then you need to select Internet Protocol version 4 in the list. Double-click to open it. Then you need to change the IP address and DNS server address to obtain it automatically. Then click OK. Wait for the network to be re-identified, and then the fix will be completed. Okay, that's all there is to fix your device with the blue screen of death. I hope my tutorial will help you to fix your Windows. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will post more videos about fixing your computer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.